I'm Amy Dabbelt. I hope you're having a great day. So I want to tell you about this amazing Envirocloth. Clean 90% of my house with the Envirocloth. So they come in two sizes. This is the full size, and then this is the mini Envirocloth. This cloth is awesome. I know you're gonna think I'm crazy, but this cloth has replaced all of my cleaning products. Like, I haven't bought cleaning products in 3 years. This is a very special cloth for me because it does so many things. So the fibers are super tiny. They're 1/200th of a human hair. Can you imagine that split end? Take one of your hairs and imagine it split 200 times. That's how small the fibers are. And the fibers are star-shaped. So when I'm cleaning a surface, when I'm wiping it down, it is like slurping everything right up into the cloth. And then it also has silver in it. And silver is naturally an antibacterial. It's a natural antimicrobial. So what's really amazing is not only does this remove the grease, the grime, the dirt, all the stuff that life brings, but it also removes 99% of bacteria, which is awesome. And once that bacteria is in the cloth, it's embedded with this special silver we call backlock, and the bacteria is destroyed. How great. So I hope you like this. I'm gonna start a little, like, 1 minute or 2 minute video so you can see it in action, give you some ideas on using it, and let me know if you have any questions. Have a great day. Bye.